Buenos días, estoy realizando el video de sustentación del paso número 3 de Inglés A1 en la Universidad Nacional de Abierta y a Distancia. Good morning, I am Jennifer Giraldo. I am from the Popayán. I am single. I'm 29 years old and I am new and student and enough. In my free time, I love running. I every day listening the funny podcast in Spotify and watch a movie in Netflix. I live in Popayán. I'm going to tell this great city. Popayán is a small city located in the south of Colombia. Here, Popayán is very friendly. Its weather is cold and there are a lot of rain. Popayán is usually called the white city of Colombia because its streets are white. The main celebration in my city is the Passion Week. Always the people visit the church and every night the people make prayers, light candles and watch the procession saints. The typical food in my city is empanadas de pipián, tamales de pipián, carantanta, and salpicón de Valdivia. When to go in my city, I invite you to travel the town near Popayán. These towns are beautiful, and you can fishing, going to party, swimming, and go up Volcan Purase. My city is beautiful. I love live in Popayán. Thank you very much.